My Yuga is talk about the moment when you had complained and get good result. Well, there are a lot of moments out here where I had complained for the services which I don't like and against the violence also. But here I would like to talk about the occasion when I had complained, that is regarding the online service company as Flipkart. Uh, 2 months before, I ordered one laptop for my friend to give him as a gift. So when I saw that gift, that is with discount, and that is very attractive also, and that is of blue color because he liked the blue color most. So when they delivered that gift at my home, then I opened that laptop and I was shocked that because the screen was broken totally. So I just went to the customer care number and I just called them and said them about the complaint, and he apologized their mistake, and he said me that they will replace that laptop to the new one, and they will also give me a gift voucher that will help me to buy something with a discount. So after within the 2 days, I get my new laptop with the gift voucher, and I felt very happy. So this is the occasion when I had complained and I got good result. Thank you.